So here we are reviewing the Picun. I think it's pronounced Picun, but it may be Picun. But it's the F8 Pro headphones, which look very similar actually to the AirPod Pro Maxes. On the box it does show you which colours are available, so I went with the dark grey or the space kind of grey colour. And on the box it says AI there, so I think they use AI to help with the noise cancellation. So let's open the box and see what we have inside. So the packaging itself does look very similar to how Apple do their packaging. Inside we've got the headphones, so let's take a closer look. So the build quality of the headphones do seem quite decent. The quality of the fabric, the appearance of this outer shell, it does seem like it's high quality. It extends from this side and also from this side too. Doesn't feel very flimsy, to be fair. Here's the on button, there's a sticker on there. Yeah, it doesn't seem too flimsy, and I'm quite impressed with the kind of padding there. See, it does seem like it's decent quality. We've got a USB-C charger, so that's just a USB to USB-C wire. So let's see how easily it connects. I have a privacy screen protector there, so I just kind of turned it on and it recognized the headphones. So let's have a listen. So the audio quality I'm a bit skeptical about. I don't think it's too good. So the last thing I was using was AirPod Pros, so going from that to this, there was definitely a decline in quality. And if you listen here, you can hear leaking of the sound. So yeah, the quality, I wouldn't say it's the best. I think it kind of sounds a little bit muffled to me. In terms of how it looks and the quality of the build, I'd say that's decent, but I think the sound quality isn't the best, personally. Apparently you can improve it by using the app and adjusting the EQ, but for me, I couldn't download the app for some reason. I tried to register and it wouldn't let me register. So that's not really very effective there for me. And yeah, I think I'll just use these headphones as like a backup headphone set. You know, I'll leave them lying around and I may use them occasionally. The main kind of listening device I use at the moment is my AirPod Pros. It's quite seamless. If I'm on my MacBook and then I switch to my iPhone, it switches very easily. I think these headphones struggle in that department because I switched devices, it wouldn't pair on the second device. I had to unpair it from my MacBook Pro and repair it to my iPhone for it to work. And also, even like I was editing this video with these headphones in, and when I press play there's like a delay in the sound coming through in the headphones, which I didn't like. So you can buy these headphones, they are cheap. I paid £30, and for them to look as good as they look, that's, I think, worth it. But it's just the muffled sound, the delay in the Bluetooth. The noise cancellation doesn't really work very well in my opinion. I could still hear everything outside. And there is that headphone leak as well. So I hope you like this unbiased review. If you have your own thoughts, leave your comments in the comment section below. And thank you very much for watching.